so this piece of equipment right behind me is our new screen changer. Now we're installing the screen changer on the final product extruder so that anytime we get any of those beads through the system, we'll be able to automatically filter them out. This is really exciting for us because it's really been the headache that we've had to manage over the last several weeks, and putting this in will eliminate a lot of the bead problems that we have had. You can see it's a pretty big piece of equipment. It's a highly engineered, fine-tuned, specific piece of equipment to do exactly what we need it to do. It's very similar to what we have on the feed extruders, which I believe we showed last week. And you can see it's a pretty big piece of equipment. It's not quite installed yet because we've still got these straps on it. We're loading it into place. There's kind of two pieces of work that have to happen here. The first part is the mechanical piece. So all the equipment in this side of the room had to be moved this direction about 5 feet, and then we're installing it mechanically. And then after that, there's quite a lot of electrical, instrumentation, and some programming work to get it integrated in the system. And I want to show you the other side of this screen changer to show what the operations team is going to do to change these screens out. What they'll do is they'll open this up like this, they'll come back behind, and these bolts will come in, they'll come out one at a time, and they'll swap the screens. And this is what the screens look like. So these screens will be laid into this machine, and then the flow will go through the screen, and that screen will filter out all the beads and contaminants that come into the product. And that will protect our die plate so we don't have the plugging, so we can continuously pelletize. And I know you hear from me a lot on what we're doing, but I thought I would ask these two guys what you think of it. And so Brandon and Jerry, like, you guys are leaders in the plant and you've been running this facility, and I just want to get your opinion on a couple of things. One, how big of a life changer is this screen changer going to be for the operations?
Absolutely. The plant's not designed to run in batches. We're designed to run continuous. We found that out multiple times. Everything that we do, we're having to manipulate right now to make the plant run. And once it's continuous, we will be able to dial it in, and the efficiency will be a lot better.
It's going to make for a much cleaner operation for the team.
Yeah, and it's going to give us an opportunity to focus on other things that need to be focused on versus the headaches of trying to feed this guy. You know, you get your focus off of that runs smooth. You can focus on other things that truly need to be focused on.
PureCycle. One goal, a pure planet.